If you're here on social media and you keep scrolling, and you haven't started making money online because you just don't know where to start, I have something for you. I just created 4 videos. It's like a series that I am going to post tomorrow. I will post all 4 of them, but I will space them out. So probably between 7 a.m. and 9 o'clock at night, I'm going to post them. These 4 videos are going to be an overview of the different courses that I know about that you may have come across. And what I wanted to do this, I wanted to give an overview because there are different options, but I want you to make the best judgment of what course fits you. So I'm going to give you my opinion, how much they cost, what they are, and what they offer. If you are stuck in your 9 to 5 and you just feel really stressed and burnt out and you're here on social media looking for a way to build a business, check out these videos because it's going to help you and guide you to make the best choice. And I saved the best one for the end, so make sure you check out video 4. You can actually find that course in my Stan Store because in my opinion, it is the best. There's nothing compared to it out there. It fills in all the gaps and it comes with an amazing community and coaching. And of course, you get me. I mentor you for 3 months for free, guys. So stay tuned. Save this video so you can come back to it. If you are not following me and you are ready to quit your job and build your own business, go ahead and follow me.